Hello students, welcome back to the class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and well at your home. Now students, today we are going to start with the word problems related to money. And today I have taken some questions from your book exercise in which some informations are given to us and we have to find out the unknown things, or you can say unknown values. Understood students? So in the word problems, either it will be addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. So basically we are going to use these four mathematical expressions to solve the questions. So let's check out the first question given to us. The first question says, find the cost of a dozen pencil if each cost rupees 2. So what you have to find? You have to find the cost of dozen pencil. What does 1 dozen means? 1 dozen actually equals to 1 dozen is equals to 12 pieces, or you can say 12 items. See, if something is 12 in numbers, we can say that it is a dozen or 1 dozen. So according to the statement, you have what is given to us? Cost of 1 pencil is given to us, that is rupees 2, and we have to find the cost of dozen of pencil, that means 12 pencils. So the next statement will be the cost of 1 pencil equals to rupees 2. So cost of 1 pencil is rupees 2. Next you have to find the cost of 12 pencils. So what will be the cost of 12 pencils then? Yes, the cost of 1 pencil multiplied by number of pencils. 2 rupees for the first pencil, 2 rupees for the second pencil, 2 rupees for the third pencil, 2 rupees for the fourth pencil. Similarly, 2 rupees each for 12 pencils. That means 2 multiplied by 12. So that will be equals to rupees 24. 12 twos are 24. That means if cost of 1 pencil is rupees 2, then the cost of dozen of pencil, that means 12 pencil, will be rupees 24. Clear students? Let's take the another question now. The next question says, my mother bought 25 bars of chocolate. So my mother went to market, and how many chocolates, the bars of chocolates he purchased? She purchased 25 bars of chocolates. If each bar cost rupees 13, so that means very first what is given to us? Cost of 1 bar of chocolate, that is rupees 13. So the cost of 1 chocolate is rupees 13. Then how much did she spend in all? That means for what will be the total amount of money she has given to the shopkeeper if she purchased 25 bars of chocolate. So what is the number of chocolates here? How many chocolates she purchased? She purchased 25 chocolates. So cost of, therefore we can write cost of 25 bars. If cost of 1 bar is rupees 13, then the cost of 25 bars will be 25 multiplied by cost of each bar, that is rupees 13. So that is 25 into 13. If you will be multiplying it here, 25 multiplied by 13, 3 5s are 15, a carry, 3 2s are 6, plus 1 7, 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 5 2 3. So what is the total cost of 25 bars? It is 325. Understood students? So I hope both the questions related to money is clear in your mind. You might have understood the concept. Kindly go through the questions and complete the exercise in your notebook. Thank you for the lesson students. Have a great day.